afternoon, people. What's going on? Good afternoon to you. The Sound Clash, Black History Sound Clash, has gone up a level. Today, it's gone up a level today, yeah? Big shout goes to Jason B with the newsreader thing that you bought in. Wicked. I can't even lie to you. Wicked concept. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah? William J. Silver. Love a little bit of your concept, yeah? But you want to try and put on some dreadlocks thing. Love the concept, but blood, it's disturbing. Yeah? It's disturbing. How you got them kind of dreads parked up in your ass? What did you do? Did you get the mop and then did you dip it in the shoe dye, darken it up and then put it on your head? Look like some dead old rat you had on your head. What's going on? What's going on, my brother? I'm concerned. I'm concerned that this is taking the wrong kind of turn now. What I'm to you? You get me? I got this brother here. I watched the video. Yeah, I watched the thing there, and I said, you know what? Should I continue this? Because I'm concerned about William J. Silver. Where am I though? I don't know where. Boy, taking it to a different level. You know what I mean? But big up anyway, my brother. But I still gotta kill you, and it's disappointing that I got to kill my brothers. Them these man there, I know from a long time, as you heard from the last video, them man there is to play he, and them kind of tank knock down Ginger, them kind of games there, yeah. And the man is trying to tackle me. Do you know what I mean? Now, and then all of a sudden, the man they want to wear a suit, you know, in the videos. They want to look, they want to change their attire. They want to look good. Do you know what I mean? Just because I had my suit on in the last two, they want to show that they got suit and tie now. Yeah, I'm now blacked out now, blood. This is serious things now. I'm blacked out. Yeah, I'm civilian down. I'm ready for this. We're going Gaza, you know. We're going Gaza here. Yeah? Anyway, people, man, we're not playing around now. We have to just buzz two tune on these, man, here and show them wagwan. Yeah? Because this is getting serious, yeah? Listen up, man. Listen up, man.
A lot of people won't get no supper tonight. A lot of people going to supper tonight. Cause the battle is getting harder in this iration. It's on my video. A lot of people won't get no justice tonight. So a lot of people going to have to stand up and fight. But remember to praise Jehovah, and He will guide you in this iration.
Let me drink my. Them man, they all of a sudden, them man want to drink in their thing. Yeah, I'm drinking my Vimto. Old school thing. You're lucky I didn't draw for my sarsaparilla, you know. You're lucky. Yeah? Alright. Anyway, we're going to deal with this properly now, yeah? So we're going to have to just kill this thing. I'm going to enjoy my rest of the weekend without my name being tagged into things. People, you need to vote. Yeah? You need to vote. You need to share the links. You need to share the video so people can participate in Wagwan. You know? Let me just kill off them man there and show them Wagwan. You know what I mean? Because they might ramp with the wrong brother, you know? They might mess with me. Eh? Listen up, people.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, yeah.
What do I say now?
World of reggae music on ya. Hey. Keep me rocking with me daughter.
William J. Silver, Jason B.
Never